1. Display of wood panel parts. 2. Installing long-handed screws. Install all panels one by one with long-handed screws. Do not apply excessive force, as long as the long-handled screw threads are no longer visible. 3. Installing drawers. Align the two side panels with the drawer fronts and insert the drawer back panels along the grooves. Secure firmly before installing the top panel. Install the drawer handles. Repeat the above steps to install the second drawer. Install the drawer slides on both sides and secure with screws. 4. Installing the frame. First, connect the back panel to the two side panels, then connect them all to the bottom panel. Install all 3-in-1 screws and tighten securely. Install the drawer slides on the inside of the cabinet. 5. Assembling the legs first, connect the 4 metal legs. Secure with screws to the bottom of the nightstand. Place the small supporting parts on the legs. Install the drawer box. Assembly completed. Let's see the finished product.